Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jela Urakam Sangma ha ka khatlai tarik no pra ulawan ban khaliap lama no ya ka jinglek kemen silver jubili ne ka jingdap arfusan senam ka jingya lenti ka Kymprup Higher Secondary School Sahsniang A nadu balaseng ya ka ha ka arpunreu tarik rempang khat khandai spa khandai phopra Nalor Menteri Urakam Sangma ubalong kum ukongsan jongkani kasngi ladan lang ru ki MDC ka JHADC ki bakanthop ya ulakhan dakhar kum usembut kongsan UWG sungo bat uhaba hun dakhar ya ka jingyalang lapenya da founder singkon bat layo ka jingkran na principal ka school UH Kamar bat na wahesh nong di amban ha ka jindan lang kinong shong snong kunthop nadu kilong kmi long kpa kinong hikai bat ki khna school haba phai khandiat halor ka jingya lenti bat history jong ka school laong bashwa ka khandai spa khandai phupra ladan tangkawe ka school ha ka snong Sahsniang A ka badai ka government LP school ka ba ajing hikai hadu class 4 ki khna school ki ai pass man usnam na kani ka school tang babon na ki kimla ban peteng shu ya ki jingpuli namar bakim kot bor ban net ki wei pat ki snong ni shasar kinong yalam jong ka dorbash nong kiyo I ya ka jing e jong ki khon ka snong bat ki sngo thu bha ba ka por kala dawa ba ki khon jong ka snong bat ki para marjan snong kila dei ban yo ya ka jing hikai ha ki class ba kham shalor kumta ka dorbash nong kala manjur ban seng ya ka school ka ba antip ru kum ka Kymprup Upper Primary School Sahsniang A ha ka snam khat khandai spa khandai phupra bat la penlong school hayeng barit jong ka balang Presbyterian Sahsniang bat hadian ka school kala yo la ka jong ka yeng school hasenda bat ka school ka ba menta ha ka bas dang la bu shwa tang ya ka class 5 bat la dan ringut ki khna bat la kentiu pat ya ki class man usnam hadu class 7 ha UR hajar kat banang ya ki por ki khna kani ka school kila nang bun kumta ha usnam ar hajar phra ka dorbash nong ringkat ka jingat lang jong ka SMC kila yo ban kentiu kerdan ya ka upper primary sya ka secondary bat ha usnam ar hajar khat khandai la kentiu kerdan ya ka high secondary school ka batip kum ka Kymprup Higher Secondary School Sahsniang A kumba long menta ka jingdan jong ki khna school ha ka upper primary section kilong shispa saw phongun ha ka secondary shispa prangun bat ha ka high secondary kilong arpu prangun kat ba kinong hikai kilong khat sawngun bat uwei unon teaching staff ha ka ni ka singi pun kut na ka lyang ki bor penyat kila yo ru ban pelat ya ka souvenir jong ka school ban pen kan mau ya ka jingya lenti ba arpu sansnam ya ka bala penlat pat ba ya ka da menteri lapun phu ban pheng ya kani ka singi da ki jingrwa jingshat bala shim banta da ki khna kani ka school
My dear friends, if we look back to 25 years before, I've been told with the minimum salary, the teachers has worked for you. And your forefather, your leaders has contributed, has worked for you. And because of their contribution, because of their commitment, because of the leaders of the past, we are here today, and this school has reached up to this standard. However, I'm to understand that there are many challenges, and I understand the challenges, the pains felt by the management, by the teaching community, by the students, by the parents. I understand, and therefore, in the days to come, as your memorandum has already submitted, government will definitely examine. Of course, in the memorandum, you have requested for the grant of ad hoc grant for this beautiful RMSA school, but I will direct my officer to do the necessary things, because in the last 10 to 15 years, none of the school in Meghalaya has been granted ad hoc grant to any schools and institutions in the state. But however, after the introduction of the new education policy, from this academic session, from this financial year, we are planning to give some ad hoc grant to some many schools based on the criteria, based on the performance, based on the necessity of the location and of the institutions. Therefore, for all this exercise, I would like to request our headmaster, the principal, and all the teaching staff just to do the necessary due process and to meet the criteria as laid down by the government of Meghalaya. And due course of time, we will examine your demands and government. And I can assure you that government will positively look into that demands have been met by you. As we congratulate you for the milestone journey in last 25 years, I am sorry to say today, because I am not able to speak neither in Khasi nor in Zaintia, and you also don't know Garu. This is the boundary that we have set from one another. Therefore, the new education policy has drawn the line for us that we should learn more on local language. We should develop more local language. Therefore, I want to request each one of you, beginning from me, we should try to learn more language from others' tribes too. Because learning language, it's a blessing for us. My young students, my young friends, it is time for us to learn a multi-dimensional, multidisciplinary course. We should be ready for any kind of challenges. My dear students, as a class 10 students, as a class 12 students, as a class 11 students, you must really ready to face challenges today. This is a time of technology, science and technology. We should be ready to face any challenge. And this time, I want to inform you again, the government of Meghalaya from this year has adopted for adaptation. That means from class 1 onwards, English, maths, science, we will use NCERT textbook, but with certain adaptation of the local contents. And next whole year, we will develop our own textbook with our more local content, and which will be the best among the best in the country. Therefore, why we have adopted this? Because most of the competitive examination, be it UPSC, be it IPS, IAS, GMAT, GE, and all the CUT examinations, all national level entrance examination are conducted based on the NCERT textbook, syllabus and curriculum. Therefore, to meet the challenges, we have decided to use the same curriculum, the same textbook with the rest of the country. Therefore, today, if we don't use the same textbook, there is always our students don't perform well in CUT, JE, GMAT, UPSC, all this examination. Therefore, knowing all the challenges, we have decided to adopt for adaptation of the NCERT textbook. Therefore, in all the government of, under the government of Meghalaya, in all the institutions, be it private, be it a government, be it government aided, those affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education, have to use the book recommended by Meghalaya Board of School Education, and also to implement the same. Therefore, today, on this very auspicious occasion, I want to congratulate the management, the principal for this very glorious journey of 25 years.